English animal collection. The cat's out the bag. The lion's share. A bull in a china shop. A wolf in sheep's clothing. To be a lone wolf. The cat's out the bag. This idiom means that a secret has been revealed, and the information that was supposed to be kept a secret is now known by everyone. I accidentally let it slip that our company was merging with another one, and soon the news was all over the office. The cat was out of the bag. The lion's share. The expression "the lion's share" means the largest or biggest portion of something. It is often used to describe a situation where one person or group takes a disproportionate amount of resource or reward. Even though we all contributed to the project, the boss gave the lion's share of the credit to his favorite employee. A bull in a china shop. The phrase describes someone who acts without considering the potential consequences, causing damage or disruption in their environment. My little nephew is like a bull in a china shop when he comes over. He runs around the house and knocks over everything in his way. A wolf in sheep's clothing. The idiom refers to a person or thing that appears to be gentle, innocent, or harmless, but is actually dangerous. The phrase describes someone or something that conceals its true intentions or nature behind a pleasant or innocent appearance. The politician claimed to be fighting for the rights of the people, but it turned out he was a wolf in sheep's clothing. He was actually working for a special interest group and didn't care about the needs of the community. To be a lone wolf. The idiom "to be a lone wolf" refers to a person who prefers to work or act independently without seeking the help or involvement of others. He's always been a lone wolf when it comes to his work. He doesn't like collaborating with others and prefers to do things on his own.